This is Tania Sutherland. So we are talking about, sewing, how you can turn your sewing into a business. Let's have a look at alterations. This might be a small baby step for you to take to start off, on a smaller sort of base, creating a little business for yourself that you can generate into a bigger business as your confidence and as your skills and your experience actually grows with you. Now, everybody needs to have their clothes altered or taken in or let out sometime in their lives. A lot of people need to have their clothes on a regular basis to be altered because they have a different body proportion or imperfections that the garments, are not made to fit them perfectly. It was made for the masses. It was made for commercial, mass production to go into the shops. So in this video, I'm sharing you a few ideas of, how to do some alterations. But think about it. This is something that you could offer to turn it into a business. I do offer an entire online course with over 22 videos to show you how to turn alterations with the tutorial steps to turn it into an actual business for yourself. If you like what I'm sharing, to help keep my videos growing, please, give me a like and subscribe, that I know that I'm doing the right thing and I'm sharing my knowledge and skills around the fashion designing and dressmaking. Okay, so you're already sewing, and perhaps your sewing is just so amazing and so different. People are actually asking you, would you make clothes for me as well? And you go, oh my goodness, it's just maybe a little bit too much for me. I'm just starting off. I'm going to build my confidence. What about doing alterations? So in this video, I'm just showing, one jacket and a jumpsuit of how I did the alterations, just basic sort of outline of how to do it. And these are things you could offer as a service, do alterations for customers. Perhaps also do a bit of refashion, bit of thrifting, as well as an extra sort of service that you offer, because remember, you are creative. Now, the people out there might not be as creative as you, and they are prepared to pay you to do what you enjoy doing. And that's already amazing. You can now create another income out of doing something that is a skill that was perhaps a hobby initially that you're now turning into a business. It's all about being more financially independent, and there's nothing more gratifying than you actually making something and you're getting paid for it. And over time, this will just grow, and you'll have more and more people coming to you, placing orders with you, and your confidence will grow with this, with the experience and the knowledge that you are now offering to customers.